Hello smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, I have this. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, now let's say the sound together. Don't forget to do the movement. It's like you crack the egg and say eh. Okay, let's do it together. Eh, eh, eh. Yay, very good kids. Alright, now we are going to say the things or objects that start with eh, eh, eh. Can you tell me what? Yes, you're right. Eh, egg. What else? Good job. Elf. Okay, anything else? Very good. Elbow. Okay, and then? Yes, elk. Yay, very good kids. Yes, now let's try to write the together. Okay, let's do it together. Don't forget, follow the arrow. Alright, let's do it. Very good. One more time. Yay, good job kids. Alright, now we are going to spot the sound of the Okay, are you ready? Great. Okay, the first word I have web. Web. Okay, can you spot the sound of the eh? Yes, you're right. It's in the middle. Very good. Okay, next I have elephant. Elephant. Where is the eh sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning. Good. And the last one I have hen. Hen. Where is the eh sound? Good job. It's in the middle. Yay! Very good kids.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal and this animal have a long trunk. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's an elephant. Yay! We did it friends. Yes! Good job friends, good job friends, good job friends. Alright friends, see you in the next riddle. Bye-bye.
Alright, now let's review. Okay, what sound is this? Good. Eh. Okay, very good. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.